Today we're working on my truck, and we're taking off the mud flares because I don't think they look as good with the smaller tires. As you can take a look, we took the front one off already.
Just pour some of this mineral spirits,
And then it just rubs off.
see? Rip that sucker off. Ew.
Oh.
Oh boy. Oh man. That has gotta be. Oh, that's terrible. That is just awful.
You're not gonna find a nice box.
Alright, we gotta see if this side's any better.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh!
Nice. Looks like someone shot it with a bullet or something.
Oh, is it ever, bro?
So you need bongo.
What's bongo?
Oh, I call it bongo.
Bongo?
Bondo is, what's bondo? Oh.
Bondo is like this putty that you put on and then it hardens and then it'll fill in little tiny dents. But nothing like that. That's too big.
And when I had an old truck, I did fiberglass. Then it hardens and you can paint it.
Looks like we're fiberglassing this bad boy.
So how you feeling right now, Handy Dan?
Oh! Not the outcome I was hoping. It happens.
Okay, so we brought in the pros. What do you think of this mess?
It's a fine mess. Rip it off, put a new box on. This thing's go for another 100 thou.
A wooden platform with small sides on it.
I like the wooden platform.
Well, I mean, we can't stop shaking the paint. I mean, we can't really do much about this today, so we're just gonna paint it, like here, because why not? So this paint that we're using is Armor Coat Rust paint. It's not gloss, it's a matte finish. Trying to go light, try and match the rest of it. I mean, I don't know how it's gonna turn out. You know, our YouTube channel's growing. Canadian Tire, if you're listening, we could do a collab sometime. You could sponsor one of our videos. We just hit 11 subscribers, so.
Now, we let that dry.
We're just watching paint dry. From here it looks fine. I mean, it'll blend eventually. What do you think?
Yeah, it'll do. Next video will be us fixing the bed though.
Well, not next video.
Maybe next year. Alright, just finished the truck, and now we're gonna go do some research about flatbeds. See you inside. Do you want a persimmon?
Sorry, what?
You want a persimmon?
What is that?
It's like a pumpkin.
Ooh.
I like that. Very nice.
After a disappointing afternoon, we need to pick me up. So that's why we brought out this bad boy.
We're trying to start it.
This is a Honda 70cc mini trail. Look at that. Mini Trail 70. You got the 1-barrel carb. Nice little, what is this, a 2-stroke?
It's a 4-stroke.
Oh, it's a 4-stroke. Never mind. I don't know anything about bikes, but I mean, it's pretty sick. Believe it or not, this is street legal. Oh man.
Horn works.
Lots of fuel in there. Okay, well that didn't work. So now we're gonna try and push it down the hill. See if that'll work.
Alright.
Bummer. It's a no-go.
We'll get him next time.
Well, after a day of upsets, I think it's time to turn in.